Guys, welcome to one of the new types of cooking with elites. This part is called Christmas cooking. We're going to be making some tasty Christmas meal. First, you're going to want to open this bag, and by the way, it's called Snow Bomb. You're going to want to get one bomb, put that in, put in as much snowballs as you can. Putting in a lot. Okay, then shake it up all the way, guys. And then you're gonna want to go over to like a house or something. You see, it's a couch, but it counts as a house. You want to put it here, and good luck to make it extra tasty. You see, you're gonna want to come in sewing machine. Okay, we're in the machine now. Wait! I'm cooked!